affordable medicines and reliable implants for treatment. Amrit. A noble initiative under the able leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, was launched by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare with an aim to provide affordable medicines for the treatment of cancer, cardiovascular and other diseases. The first outlet was opened at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, New Delhi on November 2015. Every year, over 10 lakh people in India are diagnosed with cancer. According to a Planning Commission report, about 28 lakh people have cancer at any point of time and 5 lakh die of the disease every year. According to WHO, every year 1.45 lakh women are diagnosed with breast cancer in India. Cancer treatment in India is still unaffordable for the poor and middle class, with a cost ranging from Rs 2.5 lakh for 6 months of treatment using some of the lowest priced generic drugs to Rs 20 lakh using novel drugs and targeted medicines. These figures are well beyond the reach of the majority of Indians. Medicines in almost every therapeutic category are sold primarily as branded drugs at exorbitantly high prices. In India, households are exposed to a private sector market to buy drugs. According to the National Statistics Office estimates, up to 79% of healthcare expenses in rural areas are due to cost of medicines. The major sufferers are the ones suffering from chronic conditions like diabetes or heart ailments who have to regularly buy medicines to deal with their condition. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is committed to reduce the treatment cost of life-threatening diseases and bringing about a change, with treatment being affordable to every Indian. The Union Government launched a national program, Amrit, to make treatment for cancer and heart diseases more affordable in India. The first Amrit retail pharmacy was inaugurated by Honorable Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri J.P. Nadda on 15th November 2015 at AIIMS New Delhi campus. The second Amrit started operations at PGI MER Chandigarh on 24th April 2016. Honorable Health Minister inaugurated Amrit pharmacies at Lady Hardinge Medical College Hospital LHMC and Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital RML at New Delhi on 30th May 2016. The Amrit pharmacies at AIIMS, Rishikesh, AIIMS, Raipur and JIP MER Pondicherry also got inaugurated on 30th May 2016 through video conference. Currently, there are 7 Amrit pharmacies in operation and 8 more stores are underway in AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhopal, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Patna, RIMS Imphal, NEIGRIMS Shillong, CNCI Kolkata and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. The Amrit pharmacies operating as of now have made a significant contribution in terms of a number of patients served and value of drug dispensed at hugely discounted rates.
मोदी सरकार ने स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय द्वारा लोगों को सस्ती दर पर दवा उपलब्ध कराने का जो काम किया गया है, ये बहुत ही सराहनीय है। लगभग 80% रियायत के दर पे लोगों को दवा मुहैया कराई जाती है, जिससे कमजोर वर्ग के लोग भी इसका फायदा उठा रहे हैं। इसके लिए हम मोदी सरकार का और जेपी नड्डा जी का कोटि-कोटि धन्यवाद करते हैं।
जो इंजेक्शन होते हैं ना ग्राफिल के, बाहर से हमें 1200 में मिलते हैं, वो भी इनपेक्स इंडिया से। यहाँ से हमें 600 रुपये में मिले। भारत सरकार ने हमारे लिए अच्छी दवाइयाँ दी है, सस्ती दी हैं और मैं उनका आभारी हूँ।
Details of the number of patients being serviced are provided on the screen. From the existing 7 Amrit pharmacies, nearly 180,000 patients benefited and saved almost rupees 16 crores from Amrit stores, which is approximately 69% discount on the MRP and thereby saved their out-of-pocket expenditure.
2014 से मुझे ब्लड कैंसर है और मैं ब्लाइंड भी हो गया था, पर मुझे बाहर से दवाई लेनी पड़ती थी, तो मुझे बहुत कॉस्टली दवाई वो प्रोवाइड करते थे। जो यहाँ के डीलर हैं, केमिस्ट शॉप हैं बाहर, वो सब महंगे MRP पे ही दवाई प्रोवाइड करते थे। लेकिन यहाँ पे जब से मुझे पता लगा कि अमृत स्टोर खुला है और 20 से 90% डिस्काउंट पे ये दवाई यहाँ पे मिलती है, ये बहुत ही गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से बहुत ही अच्छी सुविधा पेशेंट के लिए करवाई गई है। मैं इससे बहुत ही खुश हूँ।
The per patient savings offered by Amrit stores works to rupees 893. And in order to take this initiative forward to benefit millions of Indians in other parts of the country, it is proposed to expand the initiative to another 300 hospitals across the country. The responses from patients availing the services of Amrit pharmacies are overwhelming, and daily around 2,850 patients are being benefited from these outlets.
और जहाँ से दवाई लेते थे, महंगी दवाई थी, मतलब बीमार भी लगता, किसी ने बताया यहाँ सस्ती दवाई मिलती है बस में, मैं इसलिए फर्स्ट बार यहाँ दवाई लेना आया। अभी यहाँ से सस्ती मिल रही दवाई।
पहले प्राइवेट से इलाज लेते थे, वहाँ से हर इलाज भी महंगा पड़ता था, दवाई भी महंगी पड़ती थी। लेकिन यहाँ से दिखाने से ये है कि डॉक्टरों की भी अच्छी सुविधा है और दवाई पे भी हमें काफ़ी डिस्काउंट मिलता है, जिससे उम्मीद करती हूँ कि सभी लोग अपने यहाँ से दवाई लें ताकि उनको भी कुछ फ़ायदा हो सके।
गरीबों के लिए दवा 50% या 80% छूट हो रही है। गरीबों और आम आदमियों के लिए बहुत सुविधा है। हम प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं और JP नड्डा को भी धन्यवाद देते हैं।
Based on the patient responses, institutions such as PGI MER Chandigarh has provided additional 3 outlets for Amrit pharmacies. The objective of this project is to make available and accessible all drugs, implants, surgical disposables at an affordable price, whichever is not dispensed free of cost by the hospitals, thereby ensuring that no poor patient is left in a lurch on account of unaffordability of drug price. This is an initiative of central government under the able leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, which has brought hope to millions of patients across the nation.